Today, guys, I'm going to bring you an oldie, a real oldie from the island of Trinidad and Tobago by the name of Chilli Bibbi. Now, if you remember going to those spiritual Baptist Thanksgiving, you know, the sister come and tell you, or the mother in fact come and tell your mother, hey, I want the children to come over to some Thanksgiving, you know, we're having a Thanksgiving next week. You understand? And you going to the Thanksgiving, let me tell you something, before you go to that Thanksgiving, you have to hear that Baptist bell ring. You hear the Baptist bell ring? Now it's time for you to leave home and go to that Thanksgiving. So you're going to the Thanksgiving, you understand? This is a little story before. You're going to the Thanksgiving and there's all kind of praying and singing and dancing and all that. But you're really interested in that as a child. You're interested in getting your snacks to eat, your little brown bag with your Thanksgiving goodies. And let me tell you something. Inside that Thanksgiving goodies, they give you like sugar cake, tulum. They give you 2 kruma. Just only 2 kruma. Some popcorn, piece of cake, a piece of sugar cane. And most importantly, what you're looking for is Chilli Bibbi. Chilli Bibbi. Now, it's been so long. It's like it's a forgotten treat in Trinidad. So I'm going to show you how to make Chilli Bibbi. All you need is 2 ingredients. Some sugar. And I'm going to link the amount of sugar that I use for this recipe, okay? I'm using light brown sugar here. You understand? And I have approximately 9 tablespoons of brown sugar. And you must have some dried corn. You see? Dried corn chulpe. Oh God, I don't know if I pronounce it right. My Spanish could be bad sometimes. You understand what I'm saying? But dry corn, okay? And this has 425 grams of dry corn. So what I'm going to do? Simple. I'm making a cut here. And I'm going to pour it in batches into this pot. Now, you want your stove on high. You don't want it on low. Okay? And you have to keep tossing it until it is patched. So you're patching it first. Until it gets this nice golden color. Dark color in fact. Alright? So I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes. And I'll be back and show you how it looks. Alright guys. So you see this patch corn? It's been patching for 4 minutes. And you have to constantly stir it. Because you know it will pop all over the place. It pops. It like a pop. So what's the difference between this and this? You see the color? Right? You want this to get a nice dark color. Not black hair, not burnt or anything like that. But a nice dark color. I call it bringing out the melanin in the popcorn. I'm saying popcorn. Look, I'm thinking about popcorn because you know it's popping just like corn in the parched corn. Right? Because what you're actually doing is parching the corn. So when it is well parched, it don't pop too much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out now because it looks like it has a really nice color. It is parched properly. And I'm going to put it in a bowl. Okay guys, so this is how the parched corn came out. You see how nice it is now? Looking real golden and nice. And for 425 grams of parched corn, this is what you get. Okay? So the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my Ninja. So what you do, you pour it in batches. You understand? So we are making Chilli Bibbi, guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome aboard to Andrea's Trini Kitchen, where loads of recipe comes your way on a weekly basis. So now what we're going to do, alright, look at this how it looks. Look at this. Chilli Bibbi. Chilli Bibbi. Now it have some rough parts here of the corn, right? So what you want to do, you want to take that off. So you're going to sift it. You get a nice sifter. And you sift it. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, as I've said, welcome aboard to my show, where I bring you loads of beautiful recipes from the Caribbean and, you know, other parts of the world on a weekly basis. So, like, comment, and share. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to be notified of any video that I've put up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel All right, so now this is the remnants from the corn after it's been parched. You see, you don't want to be swallowing this, right? You don't want to be swallowing this. But you know, you don't have to waste this. You know, you can take it and throw it in your compost heap. You know, it has something called a compost heap where you grow your little vegetables and stuff. You put that there. All right, so this is how the chili bibbi looks like after it's been sifted, refined. Look at it. So what you're going to do now is to add some sugar, right? And I said I have like 8 tablespoons of sugar. You just put the sugar in this. I have some light brown sugar. And you just kind of mix it up. You mix it up thoroughly. And then you get to do the taste check to see if it have enough sugar in it. So a long time they used to put this in a little sort of sort of conical shape bag and give it out to the kids. Alright, so let me taste this and see how it is. Wow, this reminds me a long time. This reminds me a long time. Just enough sugar. This is not gonna last in this house. So guys, this is chili bibbi coming from Andrea Trini's kitchen. Right? Like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. And as I've said, don't forget to subscribe. See you again with a lot of new videos for this coming month. Bye.